Hello, today we are going to look at how to use the average function. If you have these three numbers 23, 21, 33, if you want to find the average of these three numbers by using the function average, so you type the equal to sign, then you type the word average, AVG, then you can double click on it. So equal to average, then you open the bracket, then you click on the first number, you bring your comma, you click on the second number, you bring your comma, then you click on the third number, then you close the bracket. So the function is equal to average, bracket open, you click on the first number, you bring your comma, you click on the second number, you bring your comma, you click on the third number, then you close the bracket. Then if you are done, then you press the enter key. So the average of 23, 21, 33 is 25.6667. Thank you.